Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Monday Munchies. This week we're making chili. Now for this one, the ingredients list is a bit long, so I'm going to show you. Some mince, onions, peppers, mushrooms, kidney beans, chopped tomatoes, some jalapenos. Also, we're going to need a lot of seasoning, so this is the list. Before anything goes in the pan, what we're going to do is take some salt and pepper into our mince. Like that. Now before we actually add the mince, what you want to do is get that pan nice and hot and really coat the bottom with oil. Okay, now that the pan is nice and hot, you just want to get that. Oh, that's an amazing sound. And just keep breaking this up as much as you can and spreading it around there. Now we're going to stir this until every bit of it is brown. Every piece. Now that the majority of that's kind of brown, what we're going to do is add our onions. At this point, we just need to keep stirring until the onions go a bit brown. Now that that's cooked through a bit, now we're going to add the chopped tomatoes. Whole can of that. Going to stir in a bit. Once that's stirred in a bit more, what we're going to do is we're going to add our peppers, our kidney beans, and our mushrooms. Okay, so once that's stirred in, you're going to want a little paprika. A little bit of cayenne pepper, and a tiny dash of chili powder. And just keep stirring in. If you like something a bit spicier, throw in a few jalapenos just to give it a bit of a kick. And lastly, don't forget, just a couple pinches more salt. Now, we're going to let that simmer there until the mushrooms are cooked through, so that should be about 15 minutes, okay? Now, it needs to be to your liking, so remember to taste test it in between seasoning it. See, after a taste test, you know if you want it a wee bit more spicy or if it's nice the way it is. Speaking of that, I'm going to just throw a bit more chili powder on that.
A few moments later.
Just tried one of the mushrooms, that's it all done, so just take that off the heat. So one of the, if not the best thing about chili is it's so versatile. So today I'm going to have it with a wrap and cheese and sour cream. Tomorrow I'm probably just going to mix it with some rice. It is an amazing dish and you can keep it for a couple of days as well. That is the end of Monday Munchies, guys. Good night.